Okay, let's go.
Have you ever pulled your favorite shirt out of the wash, only to find it still smells funky, or worse, that stubborn stains just won't budge? Maybe you've noticed your bright colors fading, or your whites turning a little gray with every cycle. Laundry can be a real challenge. And with so many products and hacks out there, it's tough to know what actually works, and what's just hype. That's why today, I'm putting 12 of the most talked about laundry products and clever hacks to the test. From powerful detergents and stain removers to innovative boosters and eco-friendly options, I've gathered a lineup that promises to tackle every laundry woe you can imagine. We're not just looking at the labels, we're going hands-on. I'll be testing these products on real-life messes. Grass stains from weekend soccer games, sweat-soaked gym clothes, coffee spills, and even those mysterious marks that seem to appear out of nowhere. We'll see which products truly deliver on their promises and which ones fall short. My mission is simple: to give you honest, data-driven results so you can build a laundry routine that actually works for your family, your clothes, and your budget. No more guesswork, no more wasted money, just real solutions. If you're new here, welcome to Tools & Decor USA, your trusted source for straightforward reviews and smart home upgrades. I'm here to help you make the best choices for your home, one product at a time. And if you want to check out any of the products I mentioned today, you'll find links to all the best Amazon deals right in the description below, so you can upgrade your laundry routine with just a click. Ready to say goodbye to laundry headaches and hello to fresh, clean clothes every time. Let's dive in and transform your laundry game together. First up, let's talk about Tide Antibacterial Fabric Spray, a product designed to tackle one of the most persistent problems in our daily lives: lingering odors and bacteria on fabrics that can't be washed as often as we'd like. Whether it's your favorite jacket, gym bag, or even the inside of your shoes, these items can quickly develop unpleasant smells that are tough to get rid of. Tide's formula claims to kill 99.9% of bacteria, the root cause of most odors that build up over time. This isn't just about masking smells, it's about eliminating the source, which is a game changer for anyone who wants their fabrics to stay truly fresh between washes. To put it to the test, I grabbed 2 sweaty gym shirts after a tough workout. One I sprayed thoroughly with the fabric spray, and the other I left untouched as a control. I wanted to see if the difference would be noticeable not just to my nose, but also in terms of actual cleanliness. The results were clear. The shirt treated with Tide Antibacterial Fabric Spray smelled noticeably fresher, while the untreated one still had that stubborn, lingering odor. Even when I asked someone else to do a blind smell test, they immediately picked out the fresher shirt. To take it a step further, I did a simple swab test. After letting both shirts sit for a day, I swabbed the fabric and checked for bacterial growth. The treated shirt showed almost no bacteria, while the untreated one had visible growth, proving the spray's effectiveness isn't just about scent, but real hygiene. What I love most is how versatile this spray is. It's perfect for refreshing not just gym clothes, but also shoes, jackets, gym bags, car seats, and even couch cushions. Basically, any fabric item that can't be tossed in the wash every day. The only downside I noticed is the strong scent right after spraying. It can be a bit overpowering at first, so it's best to let items air out for a few minutes. Also, since it's a consumable, you'll need to restock if you use it often. Overall, Tide Antibacterial Fabric Spray is a must-have for anyone looking to quickly refresh fabrics and extend the time between washes. It's a simple, effective solution for keeping your clothes and gear smelling clean and feeling hygienic, no matter how busy life gets. Next, Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy-Duty Detergent claims to remove deep dirt and odors. I stained white swatches with grass, mud, wine, coffee, and oil, then washed with regular detergent versus Tide Hygienic Clean. Tide removed almost all stains, even tough ones, and left towels smelling truly clean. It's pricier, but the cleaning power is real, especially for active families or tough jobs. Main con cost. If you want top-tier cleaning, it's worth it. This is my go-to for the main wash. After washing, I tested GroundLuxe wool dryer balls, an eco-friendly alternative to dryer sheets. They cut drying time by 15 minutes, made towels softer, and reduced static on synthetics. No chemicals, reusable for over 1,000 loads, and hypoallergenic. They don't add scent, but you can use essential oils if you want fragrance. The only con, no built-in scent. For softness, savings, and sustainability, these are a no-brainer. Ditch the dryer sheets. These work. Accidentally turned your whites pink? Shout color catchers save the day. I washed a new red shirt with whites. Disaster without the sheet, but with color catcher, everything stayed white. The sheet absorbed all the dye, preventing color runs. Great for mixed loads or new clothes. Downside, single use, so ongoing cost. For peace of mind and time saved, they're worth it. A simple fix for laundry disasters. Spilled coffee or ketchup on your shirt, the Tide to Go pen is your pocket-sized rescue. I tested it on fresh coffee, wine, and ketchup stains. Most disappeared instantly. It's not for old stains, but for emergencies. It's a lifesaver, small enough for your bag or car. Won't work on set-in stains. For on-the-go stain emergencies, it's essential. Keep one handy. You'll thank yourself. For those who love soft-scented laundry, Downy Infusions Mega Dryer Sheets deliver. Clothes came out softer, with less static, and the scent lasted for weeks. The larger sheet means better coverage and longer-lasting fragrance. Downside, single use and not ideal for sensitive skin. If you want premium scent and softness, these are top tier. Classic dryer sheet fans, this is your upgrade. Want laundry that smells amazing for weeks? Clorox Fraganzia. Scent booster crystals are for you. Add crystals to the wash for a powerful, long-lasting fragrance, especially great for gym clothes and bedding. The scent is intense and lingers, even after storage. Downside, very strong scent, and it's a consumable. If you love bold fragrance, nothing beats these. Maximum scent, minimal effort. Don't forget your washing machine. Over time, it builds up grime and odors. I used a cleaner tablet. After one cycle, hidden gunk was gone and the smell was neutral. It's easy, just run a hot cycle with the cleaner, no clothes. Pro, keeps your machine running well and your laundry fresh. Con, you have to remember to do it monthly. Essential maintenance, set a reminder, and do it. Pet hair everywhere? Fur Zapper is a silicone disc you toss in the washer and dryer. I tested it on dog hair covered blankets. Fur Zapper removed 90% plus of the fur, and the lint trap was packed. It's reusable, chemical-free, and easy to clean. Only con, remember to rinse it between uses. For pet owners, this is a game changer. Less lint rolling, more clean clothes. Must have for anyone with furry friends. Tired of detergent drips? The Simplation. Detergent cup holder clips onto your jug and catches every drop. Installs in seconds, keeps your shelf clean, and is easy to rinse. It's a simple fix for a common annoyance. Pro, keeps your laundry area tidy. Con, may not fit every bottle, but works for most. Small upgrade, big difference. For stubborn athletic wear odors, Hex Performance Deodorizing Spray is the specialist. I used it on hockey gear, one spray, and the deep set funk was gone. It targets biofilm on synthetics, not just surface bacteria, pricier than general sprays, but unbeatable for sports gear and workout clothes. Not for everything, but for tough odors, it's unmatched. If you have permastink, this is your solution, a targeted weapon for your smelliest laundry. Let's talk combos. I tested Color Catcher and Fur Zapper together. No color runs, barely any pet hair. For max freshness, I used Fraganzia crystals in the wash and a Downy sheet in the dryer. Layered scent, not overpowering. These products work together without issues. Mix and match for your needs. Heavy-duty cleaning, scent layering, or pet hair removal. The right combo saves time and delivers the best results. Build your own perfect system. Experiment to find your laundry sweet spot. When it comes to keeping your laundry fresh and clean, having the right products on hand can make all the difference. For everyday freshness and peace of mind, I always reach for Tide Antibacterial Spray. It's a simple step that helps eliminate bacteria and odors from fabrics, making sure your clothes and linens feel truly clean. Whether you're freshening up gym gear, towels, or even your favorite jacket, a quick spritz goes a long way. Another top pick is Hex Spray, which is specially designed for activewear and synthetic fabrics. It tackles tough odors that regular detergents sometimes miss, so your workout clothes stay smelling fresh even after the sweatiest sessions. I love using it on sneakers, sports bras, and anything that needs a little extra deodorizing power. For those stubborn stains and deep cleaning, Tide Hygienic Clean Detergent is my absolute go-to. It's formulated to break down grime and remove invisible dirt, so your clothes come out looking and feeling their best. I recommend it for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants that extra level of clean. To make your laundry routine even better, I always suggest adding a few smart tools. GroundLuxe wool dryer balls are a fantastic eco-friendly alternative to dryer sheets. They help soften fabrics naturally and reduce drying time, saving you energy and money. Color catchers are a lifesaver for mixed loads, preventing color runs, and keeping your clothes vibrant. And if you have pets, the Fur Zapper is a must-have for removing stubborn pet hair from your laundry. Don't forget about your machines. Using a washing machine cleaner regularly keeps your washer running smoothly and prevents buildup that can cause odors or affect performance. A clean machine means cleaner clothes, every time. The best part is, you can mix and match these products to create a laundry routine that fits your lifestyle and budget. Whether you're looking for maximum convenience, eco-friendly options, or solutions for specific laundry challenges, there's something here for everyone. I've included links to all my favorite products in the video description below, so be sure to check them out if you want to upgrade your laundry game or try something new. And I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite laundry hacks, tips, or must-have products in the comments section. Your ideas might help someone else discover their perfect routine too. Thanks so much for watching Tools and Decor USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.